The next step is going to be backing off, not only down here at the bottom and taking this bolt out, don't drop it. So I'm going to do that next. Then we're going to back this collar off. I'll show you how we do that next. Okay, so as you can tell, I've got the top loose, and you've really got to pull this collar back and get it to come loose. If this has never been off before, it can be really tight, so just be patient as you work at it. I've got the T20 out here, right here at the bottom. Now, really hard to see, but right here at the bottom of this breather hose is a sensor plug-in that comes in right here. Now, I can see it to my eye really easily. It's probably hard to see on the camera, but all you'd want to do is use a pick tool and lift the little catch lever on that plug. Lift it and then press that away, because the plug comes up through a little horseshoe collar right here and is actually holding this hose in place. You can't take it out until that's unplugged, okay? So go ahead and undo that and drop that plug away, and then your whole hose will be out, and I'll show you what we're gonna do next. All right, guys, so we have the crankcase breather hose out, and it's really going to be a few simple more steps and we'll have the catch can installed. Now, with the OEM hose here, the nice thing about this kit is that it comes with 2 new replacement hoses, which actually is replacing a weak spot in this design. Now, this particular hose, and I've pulled back a little bit of this neoprene style shielding to show you the hose, these corrugated ridges over time, as this pipe moves, can start to crack. And actually, you know what? If I move this a little bit, I can actually feel it crack just a little bit. So this hose can crack, which also will cause leaks and all kinds of other issues. So we're going to replace it, but we need to take the ends off this hose. It's really easy. All you need to do is take a heat gun, and if you don't have one, you can always use a hairdryer if that's what you need. But just use a heat gun, warm this up, and these ends will pop clean off, and we're going to transfer them to the new hoses. So go ahead and take those off, and I'll show you the next step.